Hey, it's Marian. Today I'm going to introduce you my chickens. So, in the last video you saw them when they were chicks. That one's Fawn. She is the leader. Hip hip hooray. Next one, Lady. She is a beautiful gold. That one's gold right there. Blackie, right there. My favorite one. Still loves my shoulder. Next one is Gracie, black and white, yeah. Awesome, great. That one's red, she's new. Same thing with Hoot, she's very goldish. And there's Snow White, she's so huge. I'm gonna pick my eggs and I think she wants to stay there. So there's the water, no egg down there today. Whoa, look at that egg. One for now. Not bad. So pretty. Look at that. Guess whose that is? It's Gracie. So later on I'll be checking an egg again and you guys could probably see some more eggs. Woo! Snow White. Holy cow. She might lay an egg. So go lay an egg, honey. Honey bun. Alright. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm gonna go check the egg. Okay, so I will show you guys how many eggs we got. Okay, in the last video, remember Snow White came popping up here? Yeah. So here's her egg right here. That's what it looks like. This is a fake egg right here. Here, beautiful. And guess who this one is? Oh, it's still warm. This one is Blackie's. Anything on the bottom? Nope. Snow White's looking at me like, what are you doing to my egg? Alright, so putting them in my pocket right now. Alright. The chickens let me pet them amazingly, right, Lady? Like Snow White. Snow White usually doesn't let me pet her, but this time she is. Because she's like, I'm famous, I'm on YouTube. No, Snow White, you're not famous. You're just on YouTube. Right, Fawny? Gracie, the fluffiest one. Alright. I'm gonna let these girls out. Alright, there we go. Come on. Out. Girls! Red and Hoot is still in there. Right there. Girls! See, they come running out. These guys come back in because they think I'm going to give them treats. Alright, now you guys can come out because all of you guys are here. Alright, I call them girls because they follow me. Take a look at this. I'll be over here. All the way over here, and I'll call them girls. Okay, I'm going to go back here and I'll show you guys. Watch. Girls! See, they're coming, they're coming. Come on, Blackie. Gotta open this, then they come around and watch. She'll come. She's up here. She's like, gimme, give me. Yep, she wants it. All right, there you go. You guys earned it. So that's why it's called Chickens Girls. Right, girls? Because they just follow me. So make sure to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Ciao.